October on Cape Breton Island, where every turn leads to insane fall colors and mind-blowing views. Our journey begins at Humus River Falls. It's a 9.8 kilometer round-trip adventure through golden, red and orange. Leaves underfoot, a small brook and that unmistakable smell of autumn in the air. The trail begins as a gravel road. Halfway along, it's time to leave the comfort of the gravel and go deeper into the forest. There is a sign we forgot to film, but it's there. Here, the colors feel more intense, and the forest has a different kind of calm. But it's also where the challenges start. From steep hills to water crossings and rope-assisted descents, this trail quickly changes from an easy walk to a full-on adventure. But when you finally reach the canyon and see the waterfall, it's taller than you expect and absolutely worth the effort. Can you see me down there? Just being small, next to this epic jewel. Now it's time to show you one of the most beautiful drives in the world, the Cabot Trail. This epic road winds along the coast, framed by mountains and the Atlantic Ocean. And in October, everything burns with color. And the color of the water just left me speechless. This gorgeous turquoise is straight from the drone. No editing here. It truly looked like this. Franey Trail, one of the best hikes on the Cabot Trail. The hike begins softly, a forest floor carpeted with fallen leaves, maples and birches blazing with fall colors on both sides. Autumn here is impressive from the first steps on the trail. At the summit, the morning fog rolled through and blanketed everything out. We took it as a sign to slow down and take a break. Then we took a small side path that we had heard was gorgeous, but we weren't prepared for this. Fog lifted, uncovering one of the best views of our lives. The shorter way to the top was closed, so we had to take a longer part of the loop out and back, about 10 kilometers total. On our way back, we decided to check the lake. I am so glad we did. It was absolutely breathtaking. Mountains glazing with fall colors, mirrored in the still lake. Under the blue sky. What an unreal scene. More like a painting. I couldn't believe my eyes. Most people skip this section, but I highly recommend visiting it. The reflections are wild. A short break at Cleburne Valley. A charming bridge, a gentle brook, and another burst of color. Lovely scenic spot. After a challenging mountain hike, it's time to take it easy. And Ingonish Beach and Freshwater Lake is a perfect place for that. A short walk from the parking lot leads to a place that combines it all. A lake, mountains bursting with fall colors, and the ocean, all in one setting. We enjoyed the lake views first, then headed to the ocean. On the way, my inner child took over. After watching the crashing waves, we returned to the lake and took an easy trail alongside it. That's where we spotted a heron. It was the first time so close. Such an elegant bird. Leaving Ingonish Beach, we accidentally took the wrong turn. What a happy accident! We spotted a large group of geese grazing with the most incredible backdrop. Gorgeous mountain with big fall colors. Such a picturesque scene and absolute magic. During this leg of the trip, we stayed at Ingonish Beach Campground, a lovely convenient base with hot showers, flush toilets and kitchen shelters. Cape Breton treated us well, with gorgeous views and stunning fall colors, but it was only the beginning. The next part is coming soon, and there will be more breathtaking mountaintops and raw coastal beauty. If you are planning to organize your outdoor adventures and keep your memories well kept, check out my printable logbooks and journals. I will add a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this one. It will help me a lot and inspire me to create more content. Thanks for being here. Bye bye.